So it's day 3 right now. Started really late because I stayed up really late and had a lot of drinks. So now it's 11 a.m. and I'm actually heading to Myeongdong. After you have a drink, you need to have some Seolrongtang. So I've actually hadn't tried that, so I'm actually heading over to try that. And tomorrow is the day of the concert, so I'm excited. It's gonna be an early day today again because I plan to arrive there at 8 a.m. Although the merchandise sales will only start at about 11, but I thought I would just get there early to maybe there's some admin stuff that I need to do, signing up and maybe there's like a queue. So yeah, see you again soon. So I got more albums. So it's another 5 more, making it like the 14 more. I believe this is all there is to it until the release of their group album, which I'm planning to get all 4 to complete the collection. So this is how it looks like. Everything that I got here. Lots to bring. I definitely need to hand carry this because this weighs a ton. So it's like 5.3 kg. So the clip just now was after my brunch. I walked around Myeongdong, had a pretty heavy brunch. Had some tea at the cafe and really sit there for a while before I actually walk around Myeongdong. And finally went to get more loona albums. So hopefully that short clip helps for those who are looking to get cheap albums, because as what I know, this is probably the cheapest place you can get albums in Seoul. Do let me know if you know any cheaper places. So the albums that I got, I'm not sure the newer albums cost, but these albums cost 11,000 won. From Music Korea, which I actually went as well to actually get the other albums on the previous day, because I thought that they would actually get more variety over there, which they did. They had some that this shop doesn't. While this shop has, as you can see, the 5 albums that Music Korea doesn't have. So Music Korea, they are selling at 18,000 won, which is very similar to when you buy it from YP Books, bookstores. So that's actually a lot more expensive. It's about like 30% more expensive. So yeah. So now I'm back at my guest house again. It's my 3rd day, but I'm already doing laundry because I'm really like burning through clothes. I'm changing whenever I can, because I did say that the weather is alright, but then my body still sweats and I change wherever I can. And I currently have no plans yet, but it's likely that I will have an early night because I plan to actually arrive at 8 a.m. tomorrow, as I mentioned on the start of the video, I think, in the morning. So yeah, shout out to Johan. I just saw his Twitter, not Twitter, his Instagram just now, and he says that he might do a meetup. So hopefully I meet the man in person, and excited to meet loona as well tomorrow. That's like the main point actually for this trip. So yeah, hopefully I don't feel hollow after the trip. Hopefully to enjoy myself, maybe make some friends, and yeah, I'll see you again.